Hey gamers, GadInsider here with spicy GTA 6 rumors. Could Michael, Franklin, and Trevor from GTA 5 make a comeback in Vice City? Let's dive into the hype and drama. Rockstar might bring back GTA 5's iconic trio for a DLC, but will it steal a spotlight from GTA 6's new stars? Stick around to find out what's brewing. Grand Theft Auto 6 is set to take us back to Vice City, and fans are buzzing about a possible return of GTA 5's legendary trio, Michael, Franklin, and Trevor. These guys made GTA 5 a global hit with their wild heists, unique vibes, and that slick character switching mechanic. Last month, voice actors Ned Luke, Shawn Fonteno, and Steven Ogg teased one last job on X, sending the fanbase into frenzy. Could they pop up in a GTA 6 DLC? A comeback could be epic, giving fans nostalgia and closure. Imagine Michael's sarcasm, Franklin's hustle, or Trevor's chaos in Vice City's neon streets. But here's the catch: GTA 6 is all about fresh faces, new stories, and modern themes like gender roles in crime, digital scams, and crypto. Some fans worry the old crew could overshadow the new protagonists or clash the game's vibe. Instead, many suggest Rockstar keep it subtle. Maybe Franklin's real estate empire shows up in Vice City, or Michael's movies play in theaters. Easter eggs like these could nod to GTA 5's legacy without stealing the new cast thunder. It is a tightrope, but Rockstar's known for balancing bold moves. Why is this rumor so juicy? GTA 6 is one of the most hyped games ever, and bringing back Michael, Franklin, and Trevor could crank the nostalgia to 11. But it's also a chance for Rockstar to prove they can innovate with new stories while honoring the past. Whether you're Team Trio or Team New Blood, this debate's got everyone talking. Want the GTA 5 trio back in GTA 6? Drop your take in the comments, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell for more gaming scoops.